Hiya, Ben here from Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth for another episode of Is It Maths or Is It Magic? It's a bit of a complicated one today, so there's a few steps, so stick with us. Step one, think of three one-digit numbers that are all different. So you might pick 1, 2, 3, you might pick 7, 9, 3, any three single-digit numbers you want. Done that? Now, you need to arrange those numbers in the highest possible order. So if you picked 1, 2, 3, your number is going to be 321. So, do that. Good. Now what you're going to do is reverse that, so you've got the lowest possible number. So if you've got 1, 2, 3, you're going to have 123. So your big number is going to be 321, your little number is going to be 123. Done that? Cool. And this is where it gets interesting. If you take your little number away from your big number, done that? Good. Interestingly here, your middle digit is going to be 9. Now what I need you to do is add all of the digits together. So whatever number you've got, add all the digits together, so you've got a new number. And everybody should end up with a number 18. Let me know how you got on, and we'll see you at the next one. Have a good day.